Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone actually has a fingerprint sensor and that your Android is up to date. Once done, plug in or charge above 20% if battery is low. Next, clean your finger and the sensor for accurate reads. Now open Settings, then tap Security or Biometrics and Privacy. This is where enrollment lives. Make sure you also set a backup PIN, pattern, or password now, because Android requires one before adding biometric unlock. You will be prompted to authenticate with your backup PIN, pattern, or password. Enter it so the system can add a new fingerprint. Then place your finger on the sensor as instructed. Press, lift, and vary angle and placement so the scanner records multiple contact points. Keep fingers dry and steady, and move slowly when asked. Once progress reaches full coverage or 100%, the device confirms enrollment. Make sure to give the fingerprint a clear, recognizable label if offered. You now enable fingerprint unlock for the lock screen and any supported apps. Toggle those options on and test locking and unlocking immediately. If the sensor occasionally fails, add a second fingerprint or re-enroll the same finger at different angles to improve reliability. If problems persist, clean the sensor, reboot the phone, then delete and re-enroll fingerprints. This resolves most glitches. Finally, keep your backup PIN memorized and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.